Guys, I'm not saying do not weigh yourself. I'm just saying do not dwell on the scale, because you will be disappointed, okay? There's a difference between weight loss and fat loss. So do the right thing. You can go on the scale maybe once in 2 weeks just to track your progress, but do not weigh yourself every single morning, because you will be disappointed. Okay, I am really excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video, guys, I'm here to tell you that scale is a scam. Okay, the scale is not working, guys. It is not working, especially for women. So 2 weeks ago, my husband and I, okay, Cry and I went on, you know, a little detox situation where we were eating only fruits, vegetables, drinking green tea, drinking rooibos water, and, you know, every now and then juice, and then we were snacking on popcorns. Okay, so that's all that we were having. All right, and guess what? Cry lost about 6 kilograms. Yeah, we went on the scale yesterday. Cry lost about 6 kilograms and I lost 1 kilogram. Okay, like bona 1 minute I was 0.7, the next thing I'm 1 kilogram. It was just not working. I was so disappointed. Okay, I was like, what just happened? Because guys, it was as if when Cry was not around, I was eating. Okay, like I felt so disappointed, I felt so discouraged until Cry told me that, you know what, baby, I can see that you lost weight. It's just that you cannot see it. You feel different. Whenever I hug you, you feel different. You've lost inches. Okay, you probably lost fat. And I was just like, babe, stop it. Do not make me feel better. Okay, I just did not do anything. And by the way, we were in the process of moving, so we could not even work out at all. So what happened was, he just told me that, you know what, you feel different, you look different. Okay, even your, you know, your babas are so different. And I said, of course I can feel my bra, but you know what, I just want to see it on the scale. I just want to see the number on the scale move. That's all I wanted. Okay, and you know what, okay, we continued packing because we still have boxes, and we continued unpacking and packing. So while we were packing and unpacking, I saw this dress, and Cry said to me, babe, you've never worn this dress, where did you buy this dress? And guys, this dress, this particular dress, look at me, look at my body, look at how I am. Okay, you know what, my face was nice, and you know, I did makeup, but this dress was just, it was not the one. Okay, and I got this dress for 50 rands. 50 rands. I remember I got it at Ackermans for 50 rands. It was on sale. I loved it, but it was not working. As y'all can see, my tummy area, it was just so, it was not small, okay, but it was not fitting the way I wanted it to fit. It was a little bit tight on the boob area, and as y'all can see, I think you guys can see on the tummy area as well, it is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, and I could not wear it. Okay, I just bought that dress because it was 50, and I said, you know, when we buy things and you say, you know what, I'm buying this, and then eventually I am going to lose weight and I'm going to wear this dress. That was me. That's exactly what I did. I bought this dress and then I packed it away with the other dresses that I usually buy. Okay, I packed it away, and I'm so excited that I was vlogging that day, so I got to capture this moment. And you know what, my husband said to me, wear this dress, I've never seen you wear it. And I said, you know what, baby, this dress is small, and you know, he doesn't like it when I buy small clothes and then Kiri, you know what, later on I'm gonna lose it. You know, you know how we are, girls, you know women, but I took that dress and then I said, okay, I'm gonna try it, but you know what, the last time I checked this dress, it's, you know what, it is not, it's just not working. Okay, and I went to the bathroom, I tried it on. First of all, look at the boob area. Okay, the boob area was, it is so, okay, I don't want to say so big, I don't want to exaggerate, okay, but it is loose. The boob area is loose. Here's the, you know, the video of the dress. The boob area is loose, and the tummy area, I think there's just a huge difference from this video to this video, guys. I just had to share that with you guys so that you can see that the scale, even if the scale is not moving, you are losing inches. I am not quite sure if I took measurements or not, but I always take measurements. I always take pictures, I always take videos, and I'm so grateful that I did that. Guys, the scale will discourage you. The scale, guys, I was so discouraged, and this morning I had to wake up and I'm like, I went to the gym and I was like, you know what, I have to sit down and film this video for you guys. I know what it is, just, you know, the beginning of the year, and a lot of us are, you know, we still want to lose weight, okay? Even September, I know we'll still be wanting to lose weight, but you know what, I just wanted to tell you that please do take measurements of yourself, take pictures, take videos, wear your old clothes, your old jeans, okay, just wear them, and yeah, you will see results. I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. I know that this is not much, it's just, you know, I've lost, you know, a couple of inches. I don't know how many inches, but as you all can see, this is the dress that I wore in the beginning of December that did not fit, and now it is beginning of the year, and it looks absolutely, you know, I mean, I feel like I could get away with wearing this dress. Yeah, it is even longer. Can you guys see the length of the dress now? It is even longer because, you know, it fits a little bit loosely now, so it has gotten longer. Okay, so guys, I am really excited. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that little win with you guys, and just to say to you guys, we are back. We're still going to try to lose this weight, and I hope that, guys, let me tell you, I even wrote this on my diary. I pray about my weight loss every now and then, like literally, if not every day, every other day, I do mention my weight loss, because I am that serious, okay? I cannot do it alone. I need help from above, I promise you guys. Yeah, but I'm so excited, guys. I just wanted to show you how I look in that dress, the progress that I've made this year. Okay, that is huge. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, but do not be surprised when I come and then I tell you guys that the scale moved. There's nothing wrong when the scale does not move. When the scale moves, of course, it's a win. But I just wanted to tell you, Hori, do not be discouraged, okay? Like I was like, babe, you know what, I'm not about to do this anymore. It is not working, okay? But once I tried on that dress, you know what, I felt like, okay? So yeah, do watch videos on you know, the insulin resistance, the difference between weight loss and fat loss. Just take time and watch those videos, and you will learn why the scale is not that important. And you know what, on this channel, on this video, you guys can see proof with the scale is not that important. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is the end of today's video. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and you know, give you just a little bit of, you know, my weight loss update, and where we are still trying to lose weight. On next week or in 2 weeks time, I am dropping another video so that you guys can see where I am, my progress, and yeah, we're doing this, okay? We are not gonna give up, okay? And I am so thankful as well that, you know, where I am now, gym is closed, like literally is in the complex. So I am really blessed with that. I'm so excited about that. So I will be going on, you know, your treadmills if I don't feel like walking outside, which there's nothing wrong with working outside. I've been doing that for a very long time. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, guys. I just wanted to, you know, I think y'all can see I'm really happy, okay? You know what, a win is a win, okay? The scale is not moving, but a win is a win, okay? And yeah, this is the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. I also have a TikTok. account. Okay, I post literally everything: weight loss, hair videos, makeup videos, fashion. I do all of that. So until next time, you guys, bye bye.